The sounds of the Spanish eye. The Spanish eye is a digraph, two letters representing one sound. Until 1994, eye, along with che, were part of the Spanish alphabet. That year, the eye became part of the letter L and the che became part of the letter C. Since 2010, it is officially considered by the RAE, Spanish Royal Academy, that these digraphs are no longer individual letters of the Spanish alphabet. The eye is pronounced in distinct ways in different regions from different Spanish-speaking countries. We are going to listen to these distinct sounds. For people whose mother languages don't have some of these sounds, they can sound very similar. We assume that eye should have the same sound at the beginning as in the middle of a word. Before listening to these sounds, let's have some explanations. First, the eye is not pronounced as one individual L or two individual Ls, so you are going to hear in number 0 a wrong pronunciation as two individual Ls. This sounds similar to the Italian pronunciation of double L, but not in Spanish. In number 1, the eye is pronounced as the Spanish I. Some people in Mexico pronounce the eye this way. In number 2, the eye is pronounced as the Spanish consonant Y, ye, as in words ayer and yo, and not as a Spanish vocal Y, as in words I and muy. This pronunciation for the eye is considered yeísmo, the way most of the Spanish speakers pronounce the eye nowadays. In this case, the pronunciation is a front teeth sound. In number 3, the eye is pronounced as the letter G in the English word legion, or the Y in the Spanish words cónyuge or enyesar. This is also considered yeísmo, but in this case, the pronunciation is a lateral teeth sound. In number 4, the eye is pronounced as the letter S in the English word usual. This pronunciation can be considered between yeísmo and non-yeísmo, but closer to yeísmo. In number 5, the eye is pronounced as the Spanish syllable li. In number 6, the eye is pronounced as the combination ly, consonant y, two separate sounds. In number 7, the eye is pronounced as the combination li, two separate sounds. This could be considered a non-yeista pronunciation. In number 8, the eye is pronounced as the combination sh in the English words she or shower. This is the Rioplatense pronunciation, the pronunciation in the Rio de la Plata area of Argentina and Uruguay. Finally, in number 9, the eye is pronounced as the combination lh in the Portuguese word trabalho. Some phonetics experts consider this sound the real pronunciation, meaning the original, of the Spanish eye. Examples: Number 0a, caballo. Number 0b, lluvia. Number 1a, caballo. Number 1b, lluvia. Number 2a, caballo. Number 2b, lluvia. Number 3a, caballo. Number 3b, lluvia. Number 4a, caballo. Number 4b, lluvia. Number 5a, caballo. Number 5b, lluvia. Number 6a, caballo. Number 6b, lluvia. Number 7a, caballo. Number 7b, lluvia. Number 8a, caballo. Number 8b, lluvia. Number 9a, caballo. Number 9b, lluvia.